Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. I know I haven't been around for like months and months, but I've been at school. There's been a lot of different things going on, and now I'm not at school. I am back at home, as mostly all of us are, because of this coronavirus. So I hope everybody is staying healthy and safe out there, and doing social distancing and all of that good stuff, staying clean, walking around with a mask and gloves and hand sanitizer and whatever you need to stay safe. But today I wanted to just do a get ready with me, life update, and how I get ready for Zoom online class. My hair is done from yesterday. It was much curlier, but it falls out overnight. To keep it in good curls, keep it somewhat curly, I use a scrunchie, and at night I just twist it. Don't mind my chair. And I just do one of these buns with a scrunchie wrapped once so it's super loose, and when you wake up your curls will sort of fall back into place. I only use like a tiny bit of hairspray before bed. So the first thing that I do is a little bit of dry shampoo, because again, this is second day hair, and I use Dove Care Between Washes. So let's do that. Like I'm sure a few of us are these days, I'm feeling a little bit unmotivated and fell asleep with a little bit of my makeup on. So I'm going to start by quickly removing that using the very well-known Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. So let's do that super fast. Okay. Oh, I got some in my eye. Okay. Side note, I bought a lizard. Here she is. And I bought her just before quarantine, and I need a name. She's a little bearded dragon, and it's the cutest. So she needs a name. Comment below if you can think of a good name for her. Super good companion. She's just gonna sit on my lap while I do makeup. Okay, so, oh, she's running away. Now I'm going to go straight into my makeup look. So I have these two clippies that I got off Poshmark, and I'm just going to. So I have my Moisturize Clinical Moisture Serum from a company called Science Serum. I will link most of the products below if I can find their link, but just one small pump can do your whole face, which I love. Okay, and then just a little bit of Vaseline for my lips. So I'm gonna go straight into my eyes, because for video chat, I don't really do my whole foundation routine. Typically, I will just do like a highlighter, which I'll show in this video, and my eyes to make them really shine and pop. So to begin, I just have my two Morphe brushes. I'm really upset that I left most of my brushes at school and still have yet to move out all of my belongings. Love that. I have Morphe M505, which is my blending brush, and the Morphe M321, which will be my applicator brush. So my favorite eyeshadow palette has always been this Crease Cosmetics Chocolate Nudes. I've literally used it since 6th grade, and I'm so upset that they stopped selling it, but I still have a little bit left. As you can see, I literally use this every day. This color is a great base. So I'm using the Crease Cosmetics Chocolate Nude eyeshadow palette. This can be replaced with like pretty much any Urban Decay like Naked palette. Just I use like a light kind of shimmery brown color. Okay, so that's just my base. Pop that shut. Next, I'm going to use a darker brown color. I lied to you, don't pop that shut. Use a darker brown color in that same palette. Again, I think they stopped selling these. I'm going to continue looking, but just use a darker brown than the one that you used for your base. And you're going to go ahead and apply that just in the middle in a vertical line. I find this easiest for when I go to blend. I kind of like to map it out in shapes. So I have the whole base and then I do a square in the middle of the darker brown. I go for a very natural look when I'm doing this just because I'm like, I want it to take a short amount of time. I wake up about 10 minutes before class. If I wasn't doing a video on this, I would speed through it in about 6 minutes. So, moving on. So now you have your base, which is a light brown, and then the middle is going to be a darker brown. Now I go in the crease with this that I might have reviewed in my Ipsy Glam Bag video. I'll link that at the end. It's called Space Case Cosmetics, and this color is called Intense Stargasm. It is a really nice shimmery gold color. And I use it for my crease because, like I said, I love sparkle and shine, and there's like minimal fallout on this. So I'm going to use the M321 applicator brush and put it just in the crease, which will look wacky before you blend it, but trust me, it'll look nice. Okay, so now go ahead and just pop a little bit more on and then blend. Okay, so let's talk college while we finish up this look. I cannot believe that the year stopped and ended so abruptly. I feel terrible for the seniors out there. I can't even imagine ending your college experience on such a terrible note, unfortunately, and you know, not being able to say bye to all your friends, not having a typical graduation at most schools. It's really upsetting, and even for me, I'm not a senior, but I'm going to miss all my senior friends, all of the spring parties, the spring concert, everything. It's upsetting, but I understand that this is a huge health crisis and everybody needs to stay safe, and hopefully we can get through this soon. I really hope and pray that we can do that. So we are going to use my L'Oreal Paris, the Super Slim Infallible Liquid Eyeliner on top of the lid. I just do a thin line because I don't really like a thick line for video chat because I look like I tried way too hard, quite frankly. I did one eye and I'm going to go ahead and do the other on camera to try and show you my technique. I wasn't always good at doing top eyeliner. I would be like, oh, and then have to wash my face and redo my makeup, and it would be super frustrating. But I've learned if you curl your lashes and get super close to your mirror, then it's a little bit easier to keep track of that line. So I've shifted. Just checking. I think I literally like draw on my eyelashes because I hear them while I'm applying this eyeliner. Okay, so there's that. I don't know if my tip is super helpful, but that is what I have been doing and it's been helping. Where is the cap? There it is. That's the tip that I have been doing and it's been helping quite a bit. So before I do my mascara, which I'm going to show you my newest mascara, that is my obsession, and I'm going to do like a quick little review on that for you. I'm going to be using my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the color Moon Dance. And one of my favorite brushes, the Fantail powder brush. I really like to use this for highlighter because it just gets it in all the right places for camera action, if you know what I mean. Oh, see? I literally like bathe myself in this, not gonna lie. take out my hair clips, fluff up the hair, and it is time for mascara. So I have always, let's talk about both. I have always used the Voluminous Butterfly by L'Oreal, right? Yeah, L'Oreal, and I love it. Things I love about this L'Oreal Butterfly mascara: easy to remove. Your lashes are pretty long, but it's kind of clumpy and takes a while to dry. So I decided when I got my Ipsy Glam Bag that I believe I did a review on this. This is Thrive Cosmetics. It's the liquid lash extension. I got a little sample of this in my Ipsy Glam Bag one month, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to try it. It is not as cheap as a drugstore mascara. The other one that I use is $8, and this one I think I paid $24. I did get a coupon on Facebook, so wait on the coupons, but I absolutely love this. The one thing that I dislike about this mascara is removing it. It's not hard, it's just that when you remove it, it's like literal lash extensions, and in your sink or in your shower, you'll see all these little fibers that literally like come off your eye. Don't really know how to explain it, but they can get all over your face and all over your body, and especially if you're trying not to like shower, if you're just gonna wash your face and go to bed, you might have to look a little bit extra to get the mascara completely off. But other than that, I really love this mascara, so I'm just going to apply it super quick. All right, here's the brush. It is nice and thin compared to the other one. I guess I'll show you super fast. So this one's like curved and thick, and the other one's straight and quite thin. So it really gets each and every lash. Typically I just start by blinking, and then I do a little looking up and shaking. I must look crazy. And then I do separating. So here's my mascara when one eye is done and one eye is not done. You can see a huge difference. So I really do love this mascara, and I will link it below. Add a little bit to your bottom lashes, and we are done. My last step, I'm not sure if I called mascara the last step, but I forgot my eyeliner on my waterline. I still do that. I don't know if that trend has died, but I like to do it. And it just gives my eye a little bit of width, I guess. I mean, I have kind of big eyes already, but it just adds a little extra. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful. Sparkle, 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 sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle for Zoom. And I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. Definitely like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a lot more frequently because I have the time to do so now. So bye guys, stay safe.